At the time that the world was running away from HIV/AIDS, Dr. Jordan was running into it. At the time that the world would rather allow people to die, Dr. Jordan embraced them. Even at the time that the world knew little about this disease, the little that Dr. Jordan knew was sufficient for him to reach out to them.
What is amazing about Dr. Wilbert Jordan is his more than 30-year legacy of advocating for people who are affected by the HIV epidemic. Since the late 80s, he ran the only clinic focused on minority patients in South LA who are living with HIV and AIDS.
He's been doing this for many years. Even before it was popular, he was a pioneer in this area.
Wilbert Jordan personifies what the word hero means. And when I think of hero, I think of somebody who stands against adversity, often all alone, and inspires others to fight the good fight.
Dr. Jordan actually was one of those fighters who went out and said that everybody who is sexually active should be tested for HIV/AIDS, which was an unknown phenomenon in the 80s and so forth.
He's truly a character, but is also someone who has just made contribution after contribution to the health of this community.
He had to address a tremendous amount of stigma related to HIV. He was in churches in the South and heard preachers saying very homophobic things from the pulpit and actually standing up sometimes and speaking back to those preachers.
He managed to partner with a large number of churches. So these churches would bring food for HIV patients in the clinics.
And what's so amazing about that is it's never just about the food. Through this act of service, this sharing of food and nourishment that not only nourished people's bodies, but also their souls, and created connections that broke down social isolation that a lot of people living with HIV and AIDS.
What he has done in HIV and HIV services, in adolescent health services, and in transgender health services really represents cutting edge.
He's a powerful advocate for the voiceless and the marginalized and the underserved, and we really honor his legacy.
Dr. Jordan is also a leader of the LGBTQ community, not just here in Los Angeles, but across the country and indeed throughout the world, saving countless lives, and he continues to do so today. And this is why we're so honored to honor Dr. Wilbert Jordan.
Charles R. Drew University's 2017 Legacy Leaders Spring Gala honors Dr. Wilbert Jordan.